So this is how you can remove your account restriction on Facebook. If you believe that your Facebook account has been wrongly restricted, you could always send an appeal to their main Facebook page. Now, I already sent my appeal, but apparently they've denied it. So if yours got denied, you won't be able to send another appeal. But let's try it out anyways. So I'm gonna open up Safari because this is where their page is. I searched up Facebook restriction appeal. So the first link should help you out. You're going to want to open that up. But if you open this link, it's only going to take you to the Facebook app. And this is the same screen that you're going to see. So unfortunately, if you've already sent the appeal, like I said, you won't be able to send it again. But if you haven't yet, you should try it out and give it a go and see if Facebook actually accepts your appeal and gives you your account back. But yeah, for now, the only thing you can do is send an appeal, and if you've already sent an appeal and they still denied it, then unfortunately you won't be able to get your account back. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.